Sup everybody, Magneto YT here, and I'm back with another Subway Surfers video. So, guys, stop, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Anyway, I'm just gonna try and beat my high score and do that stuff. It's gonna be a quick video, about 5 to 10 minutes. Something like that. Just a real quick video before I go to bed anyway. So, yeah. A mystery. How did I get the magnet? Mimi, go somewhere else.
You don't remember when you had got the magnet?
Do you have dementia?
No.
Yes, he is.
Oh, yeah, I have it.
You have that guy?
Yeah, sorry, guys. My little brother and sister are here next to me. I don't know why, but they're just like that.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
Subscribe to Deadshot Gamer, guys.
Yeah, Deadshot Gamer sucks butt. He doesn't
Shut up.
He doesn't even do videos, actually.
That's because I can't. You broke my tablet. You won't let me do
wait there, but they were both on the bunk bed. And Jesse's was using his feet. And then Jesse's broke his tablet. So yeah, that's what happened. So Jesse's is a baby.
Oh my god, you guys really?
I have 5 more seconds to join.
Sorry about all that, guys. My sister.
All that is true, by the way.
Oh my freaking god!
I'm kidding.
I said freaking.
I know. You fell for it, dude.
Double up. Oh my god, this is the longest ad ever. Why does it need to be this ad? And the thumbnail better not be this ad either. I hate dumb thumbnails anyway, guys. Freaking, my last few videos I made, freaking guys, just been terrible thumbnails. Yeah, it's over. It was so awesome. That was like a 50-second long ad. Alright, yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, that was just a test run. Guys, in the first try. Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
You just
Be quiet, guys. You guys are always ruining my video. I'm trying to do this by myself, and you guys are just getting in the middle of it.
You broke my tablet. This is how you can repay me.
Yeah, that's stupid.
That's why I don't do videos.
Yeah, you could have did them.
PS4.
Yeah, yes, I do.
You never didn't, because you never told me how to upload them to Share Factory.
You don't upload them to Share Factory. They automatically go to Share Factory.
I know, but you don't know how to make it go to worldwide.
You just make it public.
Boy, when I did it, a video, what do you call it? The screen.
Dude!
The screen was.
Shut up.
You're way nicer than this one. This is your boo-boo.
Oh my god, stop talking about that in my video. Jeez. Sorry about that, guys. Again, because people are ruining my damn video.
You're just jealous.
No, I'm not. You're ruining my video.
Oh, this one, Mimi, look at the board I got. It does a special thing. Watch. It glides.
It can fly?
Fly.
So can I buy that board?
No, it costs a lot of coins.
But I got it. That was cool.
That was really cool. Booty butchies.
They can magnet to your shoes. That is so awesome. But the dress shoes are way too high. I stole her stabbing dab. What's a stabbing dab? What's a stabbing dab? Stab.
It's like this. Stab. I need it. Like this. Just like this. Sorry.
That's a stabbing dab.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that stabbing dab is like killing someone. How do you duck? Because the more faster you duck things, the more faster you duck.
Use your thumb. Use your thumb.
Yeah, you can use your thumb.
It's hard. I'm not good with using my thumb. I'm good at using this.
I use on my thumb because it's so easy.
Maybe for you, I'm not used to doing it.
What the freak? It's making it so damn complicating.
Oh yeah, look at this. What y'all doing? Get off that bed. Sometimes I tell you. Y'all know English?
Still struggling with where to do that figures? Yeah. I just don't want to wait.
I'll just in the phone, yeah.
Check out WQ.
He's always some shit.
Let you fly for what you know and focus on what you do. Really? Check that out.
Good one.
Is that an owl joke? Yeah. That's pretty good.
That was probably Jesse's as well. Because he yelled.
Yeah, anyway, guys, sorry about that. Anyway, so,
Anyway, that was his dad. That was dad's our fault.
can you shut up?
Can you shut up your booty up? No! Okay, no! I'm sorry!
Why do you always need to scream?
I don't know, because you have to shut up your booty.
And oh my god, stop saying that stuff!
Wait, are you making a
Damn!
video?
Shut up!
It's not like you're gonna mess me up. No!
Shut up! Shush! Stop screaming! Stop screaming! Stop screaming! Why do you always scream? Why are girls so like that? Anyway, guys.
That's not like that.
Anyway, guys. So, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I've been trying to put. Yeah, okay. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment, and please like, subscribe, comment, and peace out.